AutoDS Product Research Tool explained. Find winning products fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending hours scrolling through suppliers trying to find that one winning product? Well, you're in luck. Because today, we're diving deep into the AutoDS Product Research Tool. If you're into dropshipping or thinking of starting an e-commerce store, this is one of the smartest tools out there to help you find, test, and scale winning products fast. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, what makes it different from other tools, and some tips to get the most out of it. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So, let's start with the basics. What is AutoDS? AutoDS or Auto Dropshipping is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform. It offers product importing, order automation, price monitoring, and more. Basically, we're focusing on product research tool today. These features help sellers find trending and profitable product from major suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and more. Whether you're just getting started or running multiple stores, AutoDS saves you from wasting money on low-demand products. So, first things first, how the product research tool works. Basically, inside the AutoDS dashboard, you just want to go through the product research tab. Here, what you'll see is the product filters. You can narrow down your search by categories, suppliers, countries, prices, shipping methods, and more. Inside that page, you can also find trending product section. AutoDS tracks and suggests product based on recent sales data. So from there, you will be able to go ahead and see trending winning products. Inside, you'll also see AutoDS score. Each product gets a score based on performance metrics, so you'll know if it's worth testing. And lastly, you'll see supplier details. Instantly see where this product is coming from, delivery time, and available shipping options. You can even preview how the product looks on a store page before importing it. Now, let's also talk about its unique features. What separates AutoDS from tools like Zik Analytics or Sell the Trend is its AI product tagging. It tags product based on seasonality, trend levels, and selling potential. Another feature is going to be the real-time analytics. Basically, AutoDS monitors live sales trends, so you'll never be outdated. Third is its Save Product folder. It allows you to build a personal library of testable products. And lastly, you have the one-click import to store. You can just go ahead and choose a product, edit its title and description, and then you can import it directly to your Shopify or WooCommerce. So for example, if you navigate through one of their trusted suppliers like CJ Dropshipping, you can just go ahead and click a random product. In our case, let's go ahead and say that I want to import this specific product right here. All you have to do to import this product is to simply navigate through their Chrome extension tool. Now you can get this tool in the official Chrome web extensions, search AutoDS, and from there, you can then go ahead and get this application. So from there, you will be able to easily import products with one click. Now, how to use it to find winning products. So here's a quick strategy. First things first, you want to choose a niche or category you're interested in. For example, let's say pet accessories. You want to set your filter prices between $10 to $30, shipping within 7 days, and supplier as AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping. You want to sort by AutoDS score and click through the top rated ones. From there, you will only go ahead and see the top rated products on that specific filter. You want to check out competition. You just want to use Google Shopping or Facebook Ads library to check if other stores are publishing it. You can just save and test 3 to 5 products per week. Now, as a pro tip, you want to look for items with high demand but low saturation. Once again, you want to go ahead and navigate through the top rated products inside AutoDS. And from there, you want to make sure that there are less competitions. And so, we have the pricing overview. AutoDS plan starts as low as $9.90 a month for the basic automation tools. The product research tool is available on most plans, but if you're serious about scaling, their advanced or professional tiers give you full access to their product finder, automation rules, and marketplace insights. You also get credits to use their premium features like the AutoDS marketplace importing. Now, what is the best benefits for dropshippers like us? Basically, it saves hours of manual research. It reduces guesswork when testing new product. It helps you avoid copyright infringed or trademark items. It works with multiple marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Shopify, and WooCommerce, and you can automate your entire product testing process from research to importing to pricing. Now, what is the best practices and tips when using this feature? Don't just pick trending products, you want to look for gaps in the market. As I've mentioned earlier, you want to search for competition. You want to use AutoDS automation rules to monitor stock levels and prices. You want to test multiple suppliers to get the best shipping time and profit margin. You want to track product performance using AutoDS analytics. And you want to join AutoDS Facebook groups and Discord communities for product ideas and setbacks. And so, once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So, that's your full breakdown of the AutoDS Product Research Tool. Once again, you can go ahead and find this tool inside the AutoDS dashboard, and you can go ahead and get this feature by any plans on their website. Now, if you are dropshipping, tools like this are essential to staying competitive. The combination of AI analytics, product scrolling, and automation gives you a serious edge. Have you tried AutoDS before? Let me know your experience in the comments below. And if you're ready to scale your store, grab the AutoDS free link trial in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more e-commerce tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.